thermal conductivity of metal rod. So we have metal rod inside this one. The length of the metal rod is 120 mm, and at one end of the metal rod we are connected with the heater, and for this heater we have a heat control device here. I can control the entire heat here. I am supplying the power and heating the entire metal rod with this connection. Now on the surface of the metal rod we have 120 mm metal rod and equally distributed to 30, 30, 30 and 30. 4 3s are 12, 120 mm. And there are 4 thermocouples placed equally distributed. You can show here 1, 2, 3, 4 on the surface of the metal rod. You can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4. And there are another 2 thermocouples here. The inlet of the water, this one, and outlet of the water, this one. Okay. And we have 6 temperatures. You can see here the temperature indicator 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the surface of the metal rod, that is aluminium rod, 120 mm rod, and the 5 and 6 are water inlet and water outlet. Water inlet and water outlet. This is the temperature points. This 1, 2, 3, 4 on surface of the metal rod, 5 and 6 are water inlet and water outlet. And you can see the specifications. The diameter of the aluminium rod is 50 mm, the length of the rod is 120 mm, the number of thermocouples placed along the length of the distance is 30 mm, equally spaced, 30, 30 and 30. And this is the temperature control device. This is the switching on of the temperature indicator, and this is switch on of the heater. I'll switch on now. You can see here I'll switch on both heater and temperature control device. And while coming to this one, this is rotometer. What is the use of this rotometer? Means I am circulating the water to the metal rod, and this is insulated. This entire metal rod insulated. How this is insulated means initially rod, this type of rod inside, and again I am circulating the water on the rod and insulated. Why this is insulated means whatever the heat dissipated by the rod and the water should not go outside. That is called as insulation, the adiabatic insulation. And now the rod is placed, thermocouples is placed equal distance 30 mm, and now the water is circulating, 1 lpm of water is circulating. You can see here this is 1 lpm. This is 1 lpm, 0.5 I can first reading 0.5, and 1 lpm water is circulating on the rod, and inlet of the water I am supplying water, temperature less. When it is coming to the outlet, the temperature is going to be increased. Now you can see take the readings. T1 is 49.3 and rotate this one. Rotate T2 is 43.8, T3 38.4, T4 33.6, T5 is less because water inlet. Suddenly water is cold water is circulating means temperature less, and T outlet is increasing. We have to stabilize for 5 minutes. We have to give the time for 5 minutes. Later you can take this reading. Okay, that's what. Up to T6 we are taking. That's T6 temperatures. So that is what the entire experiment.